everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the 1 minute manager, and this is chapter 2. Chapter 1, which we already discussed, you came across a word called special manager or effective manager. And now we're going to build that conversations from the book perspective. What is meant by the people who feel good about themselves produce good result. That's what the chapter 2, and it's going to be very interesting. It starts from page number 20 all the way to page number 46. So just relax, and I put it up all the critical points and in the form of PPT, which I'm going to read it out for you, and it will be very interesting. Please do stay till the end. You will get the amazing piece of information. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So this is what we are going to discuss today, and chapter 2, people who feel good about themselves produce good result, right? And this chapter 2 I have divided into 3 portions. The first portion is interesting. The young man and the manager, the special manager, you can call it. The conversation, 3 questions being asked and how he has answered and all that, and 3 secrets. The second one, 1 minute goal setting. The third one, 1 minute praising. The fourth one is the third secret, which I will be revealing in the next video, that is called reprimands, 1 minute reprimand. And let's talk about who are being involved in this conversation. One is called special manager or effective manager. Just to give you a quick recap, you might have heard this one. You might have seen the previous video, which I talked about. Effective manager is something which a manager has got 2 attributes. One is called autocratic skills. Autocratic is something which has a bottom line, a profit, and thinking about how best we can do a product or service and all that. That is called autocratic, more from the result oriented. And democratic is something concerning people, taking care of the people, giving the rewards, giving the praising and all that, and getting connect with the people and all that is called democratic. Effective manager meaning like a manager should have both of the quality in order to become an effective manager. That's what it talks about it. And then it also talks about his direct reports, so that the special manager direct reports, the conversation between himself and the young man and young professional, and the secretary also been involved in this conversation. So let's talk about very important thing is first question, the young man, between the young man and the manager. A young man asks the question, helping people to feel good about themselves is a key to getting more done, right? So the manager echoed and responded that actually productivity is more than quantity of work. Productivity is not just a number, it is beyond that. And he has given the equation. Productivity is the combination of 2 things, quantity of work being done and quality of work, both the things. That's what the special manager has said it about productivity. Let's talk about the next question. You have already said that you are not a participative manager, just you would, then how would you describe yourself? And he said that I'm 1 minute manager. I call myself that because for me to get very big result from people, less efforts and more work or more results, right? You'd better talk to my staff. That's what he said. You better talk to my staff. You will get to know more about it. So, and then his one of the staff, he said that there are 3 secrets. And if you want, you can jot it down, right? That's what he said. The first thing is, the first secret is 1 minute goal setting, and 80% of result come from 20% of goal. That means the bigger portion, 80%, is come from how you describe, how you write it down, how precisely and concisely readable, it has to be measurable and all that. The goal, we always say that goal has to be SMART, right? SMART, smart, specific, measurable, and SMA, attainable, realistic, and time bound. Exactly the same thing. 80% of the result come from 20% of goals. Performance standard is, goal is nothing but performance standard, right? So that we will be clear and all that. There are points to be taken care. It says that sometime in his review, in his research, it says that he often come across the manager and the subordinate having 2 different lists of goals, right? That we should avoid it, and we should have one, the manager and the subordinate should have a sync in the goals as such. No surprise, so that the surprise will not happen. And he also talked about the synopsises very interestingly. A new joiner who came in and he spotted a problem, and then he went to a manager actually, like, and said that I have seen a problem in this particular section. And then, can you describe in the problem? So, and he said that, can you put it up in the behavioral term? And then he said that, okay, let me he went back, he collected the data and all that. So he has given the equation. Problem, any problem when you say it, it has to be, problem has to be observable and measurable. That is what in A discipline says that if a problem is well defined, is half solved. If you're able to tell that what is exactly the problem is, you're half done, half solved, right? Exactly in the same thing, the problem has to be described it clearly, coherently in the behavioral terms. And then it also talk about a very interesting thing. If you can't tell me what you would like to be happening, manager said, you don't have a problem yet. You are just complaining it. And a problem exists only if there is a difference between what is actually happening and versus what you deserve to be happening, right? So that means a problem, very importantly, problem has to be described well. That's what the quintessence of this message, of this para, right? The first thing we talked about the goal. Goal is important. And another thing is anything problem when you have it, you just dig into it, you describe it and all that. The last one is called 1 minute praising. Very interesting. Pointed out to me and then and there. So that means whenever we get appreciations, the manager has to point it out then and there. And it shows that the manager really cares. It shows that manager really wants us to prosper. The voice of the employee in his research, the young professional looked out the random secret or random survey he took out, and he found out, he says that he will praise me if I'm performing well. That's what the voice of the employee. He will praise me if I'm performing well, deserve it, and even if things are not going for him elsewhere, right? I know he may be annoyed about other things, but he responds to my situation, not according to what's going on elsewhere for him at that time. I really appreciate that. So that means, so the appreciation, appraising has to be spontaneous, has to be timely. So that's it we have in this video. We're going to talk about the third secret, 1 minute, the 1 minute reprimands that we will be talking about in the next video. Until then, please take good care of yourself and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful